Today, what you are going to share?
Today we are going to share why does smoking make us cough? Because our body doesn't want cigarettes, burgers, dude. Whenever we inhale, we sometimes inhale harmful microorganisms. The mucus and cilia in our respiratory system first does that. The mucus traps the microorganisms while the cilia exhales them out, thus producing a cough. Now, sometimes whenever we smoke, we inhale thousands harmful chemicals. Thus, these microorganisms may even damage or paralyze the cilia. Thus, they remain in our respiratory system. Now, to remove these microorganisms, the mucus always exhales these out, thus producing a cough. But sometimes the cough gets worse in morning. This is because the paralyzed cilia repairs itself, thus exhaling those germs out. Thus may we cough more in the morning.